Hello everyone and welcome back to math. Today our learning target says I can use objects and pictures to solve addition and subtraction problems. So just like we've been looking at, we are going to use our math tools or pictures to help us solve addition and subtraction problems. Remember, to add means to put together. We're adding, it's a plus sign. And to subtract means to what? Right, take away, which we would use the minus, subtraction. Today we have some word problems or story problems that we're going to be solving using our pictures or manipulatives. And you're going to be either doing addition or subtraction ones. Let's get started. Our first one says there are 5 cats in the chair. Then 3 cats went to eat. How many cats are still in the chair? Take a moment of private think time and let's solve. I'm going to read it again. It says there are 5 cats in the chair. Then 3 cats went to eat. How many cats are still in the chair? All right, let's talk about this. So we actually already have our whole that is started, right? So is this going to be an addition or a subtraction problem? It's going to be a subtraction because we see that there were some cats in the chair and then some went to go eat, and we need to know how many are still there. So it is a subtraction, so we are going to be using the minus sign. So there were 5 cats in the chair. Let's count these cats to make sure we have 5 of them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And then it says that 3 went to go eat. How can we represent that 3 went to go eat in our picture? Right, we can cross them out, right? So how many are we going to cross out? 3, very good. So I have 1, 2, 3. Our question still says, how many cats are still in the chair? So we need to know how many are left. So what do I look at to figure out how many are left? Yeah, the cats that don't have an X on them. And there are 1, 2. So there's 2 left. So if I wanted to write an equation to represent this picture that I've just created, what would it be? Remember, in a subtraction problem, we have the whole minus the part equals the part. Okay, so our whole was 5, so we started with 5. Then we took away because 3 went to go eat, and there are 2 left. Great job. Let's take a look at our next problem. Our next one says, at the Atlanta Zoo, there are 2 adult hippos and 3 baby hippos. How many hippos are at the zoo? Take a moment of private think time and see, is it going to be an addition or subtraction, and try to start solving. At the Atlanta Zoo, there are 2 adult hippos and 3 baby hippos. How many hippos are at the zoo? All right, the first thing that we need to think of first is this an addition problem or a subtraction problem? Yeah, it's an addition problem. How do you know it's an addition problem? Right, because it says there are 2 and 3, and they want to know how many hippos are left at the zoo. So we have a picture right here, but I want to draw it out to really make sure we understand our thinking. So remember when we do a addition problem, it's a part plus a part plus a part equals the whole. So how many did we have, the adult hippos did we have? 2, right? So I'm going to draw 1, 2, and I'm going to write a 2 right here. And how many of the baby hippos did we have? Right? We had 3. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. and I'll write the number 3. This is an addition problem, so we're going to put that plus sign in the middle. And now, how do we get our whole for our addition problem? Right, we count all of these together to see how many are there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5. Great job. All right, now let's look at this problem. This will be our last one before you get your exit task. This one says, Miss Lowe made a pizza for lunch. Her pizza has 4 slices, and she ate 2. How many pieces does she have left? Take a moment of private think time and think, first, is this an addition or subtraction problem? And then try to solve it out by drawing a picture or using your manipulatives. I'm going to read it one more time. Miss Lowe made a pizza for lunch. Her pizza has 4 pieces and she ate 2. How many pieces does she have left? All right, our first question that we were thinking about, is this addition or subtraction? Yeah, it's a subtraction because we had our whole to start, a part goes away, and there's a part that's left. So let's take a moment and look at this. It says her pizza has 4 pieces. So we're going to draw 4 triangles to be our pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says that she ate 2. How can I represent eating 2 of them? Right, I can cross it out or I can erase it. 1, 2. So how many do I have left? That's what it knows. How many does she have left? So we're going to count the ones without an X on it, and that would be 2. So I have 4 minus 2 equals 2. Awesome job. All right, your exit task today, I am going to read you the problem, and then you are going to do it on your own. You can send a picture to your teacher, or you can just do it to help expand your thinking. It says, Reagan bought 3 lollipops on Monday and 1 lollipop on Tuesday. How many lollipops does she have in all? Remember, you're going to draw a picture and write an equation to represent. I'm going to read it one more time. Reagan bought 3 lollipops on Monday and 1 lollipop on Tuesday. How many lollipops does she have in all? Great job learning today, friends. Proud of all your hard work, and I'll see you later.